Yinxing Rex Abrasive Technology Company Limited was established in 2016 and is located in Yinxing City, near Shanghai, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Our company covers an area of 16,000 square meters and has 80 employees, boast an annual sales figure that exceeds 15 million US dollars. We are specialized in development and production of coated abrasive products. Our company has rich experience in the coated abrasive tools industry. Our main products include flap disc, sanding belt hook and loop disc, strip disc, sandpaper, emery cloth flap wheels with shaft, sanding mesh fiber disc, and so on. They are applied widely in those industries as below: metal, wood, plastic, car, ship, metallurgy, leather, glass. We have rich experience to accept OEM order. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. And we have MPA certificate for Advantage product, flap disc. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.